Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a stunning real estate website using Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com. Then you are going to tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner or right here. And by the way, this is completely free. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Sign Up. And from here, all you have to do is enter your email address, then you'll enter it again, and you are going to create a password. Then you are going to tap on Sign Up. By the way, you can also sign up with Wix using your Facebook account, as you can see right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you have to do is select For Myself. Then you will tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll tap on Search for your business or site type. So for this example, since we are creating a real estate, we can simply type in real estate. And whether you're a real estate agent or you want to create one for basically a real estate landing page, or you want to scroll down and you want to select real estate consultant, or you're a real estate photographer, you can select any one of these options. But for this example, I'll select real estate agent right here. Then you are going to tap on Continue. Finish, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can put in the name of your business. So let me type in real quick. Then you'll see what's your business address. You could add the business address here if you want, but for now I'll simply tap on Next. Then you'll put in the work hours. After doing that, you'll see Start Adding Services. So for example, you could select Open House Appointment, and you can also select Listing Appointment and Buyer Consultation. So as I said earlier, the beauty about Wix and their website maker is it makes it very easy for anyone to create a beautiful website. So you can select the option that best suits you. Then you'll simply tap on Next. And from here, if you have any staff members, you can add the staff members. Then you'll simply tap on Next. Also, useful tools. For example, if you want to accept online payments, you could do that. And you can also sync your personal Google, Apple, or Outlook calendar. And you can also send automated emails and SMS. Any one of these that suits you, you can simply tap on it. Then you'll select Next in the bottom right hand corner. Then tap on Continue to Dashboard. Now that we are on the dashboard, we can start editing, or better yet, designing our site. And to do that, all you have to do is tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. Then you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to see two options. Let Wix create a site for you, use their site builder to go live quickly, or customize a designed template, choose from thousands of designs for your site. For this example, I'll simply tap on Pick a Template. Then from here you can see numerous real estate agent templates that you can choose from. So you can simply scroll down until you find one of your liking. For this example, I'll use this one right here. So I'll tap on Edit. Then give it a few seconds for it to load up. Then we can start adding our own personal touches. And you can see it right here. So you can quickly scroll down, and now you'll be able to customize your real estate website. All you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Just give it a few seconds. You have to do now, if you would like to change anything, you have to go over to the left hand menu option. But before doing that, you can quickly scroll down and you can see how your website looks at the moment. So you could scroll down and you can see it right here. And you can also select the mode that you would like to see it in. For example, majority of persons more than likely will be using their mobile to view your website. So you could tap on mobile in the top left hand corner, and from here you'll be able to preview your website in mobile, as you can see right here. And once it is to your liking, you can go back to desktop mode to start doing some editing. Now to edit your website, all you have to do is go over to the top left hand corner. So let's say, for example, you want to change this section right here, or you want to add a section. All you have to do is simply tap on add section if you would like to add something to this section right here. Then you will see the different options that you can add. So for example, if you want to add your contacts at the top, or if you have a certain promotion that you would like to add, you can do that also, as you can see here. Or you can add bookings if you want at the top right here. Once you're finished with that, the next thing that you can also do is you can remove this image. So if you would like to change this image, it's quite easy to do. All you have to do is hover over the image, then you will select quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you will see a menu option pop up on the right hand corner. And from here, if you would like to change the image, all you have to do is simply tap on the image right here, and you'll be able to change it. As you can see right here, the image is right here, and you can also change the button if you would want a different text in the button, and you can also change the title. But I think this looks really good for a real estate website, and I don't think that there are much things that you would like to change. You can add your own little personal touch here and there, but that's about it. Another thing that you can also do, if you would like to add anything special, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from here, if you would like to add any buttons, you can scroll down and select button, and then you can select any one of these buttons. And if you would like to accept payments, you can select payments right here. You can also select PayPal. And you can see you can add boxes, you can add menus, you can change up anything, and you can add practically anything. And all of the editing options are on the left hand corner. So if you would like to add a video, you can add video. And you can also select interactive right here, and you can add a slider if you want. There are numerous options. You can start as a complete beginner, and you'll be able to customize your real estate website to your liking. And by the way, if you would like to add your social, you can do that by simply selecting social, which more than likely you will like to do that. And from here, you could select the social bar that you want, and then you'll be able to add your social media accounts. And also, if you would like to change the color of anywhere, all you have to do right here where you see site design, you can tap on that, which is the capital A. And from here, if you would like to change the site color, you can select that. Or if you would like to change the page background, you can do that also. And let's say, for example, you would like to add a page. For example, you would like to add a contact page or so on. All you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, or you are going to select pages. Then after selecting pages, you can tap on add page at the bottom right here. And also, if you would like to move any one of these pages, so let's say you would like to move the book online section further up, all you have to do is simply tap on it. Then you'll be able to drag it, and you can place it up there. And also, if you would like to add something that you don't see, for example, you would like to add booking, or you would like to add any specific app or so on, you could tap on the 4 boxes that says add apps. And from here, you'll be able to search for numerous free apps that are available with Wix, as you can see here. So if you'd like to add a contact form, if you would like to add a Google Maps, for example, to give clients to show clients better yet where to come to preview a building or so on, you can do that. You can simply type in Google Maps, and you'll be able to add Google Maps. There are numerous options that you can do with Wix, and by the way, it is completely free. As you can see here, if in the future you would like to purchase a custom domain name, you can do that by simply tapping on Connect Your Domain at the top of the page right here, and you'll be able to purchase a custom domain name. Once it is finished and to your liking, all you have to do is tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it. You have a beautifully designed real estate website for completely free on Wix. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.